Ja, du vet. Ja, du vet. Ja, du vet. I'm gonna have a bit of short bit, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, man. What's going on, Kuza family? Like I said, you guys are probably wondering where we've been again. This is like the third time we're doing something like this where we take our time. But basically, it's really hard for us to do videos because I'm busy with university, football and work. And my brother's also busy with his school stuff and football as well. So it's hard to balance everything, but we'll never ever stop doing this. We'll never ever stop with reactions, and I still appreciate the support. And if you guys can just show us some love and just smash the views, smash the likes, and please guys help us subscribe to our video and help us get to 5,000 subscribers. We just need 600 more to get 5,000 subscribers. So please guys, you know, I know we've been away for a month, but not because I don't want to do this, because we've been busy and it's been tough, but we're getting a bit more free time, so the uploads will be more consistent. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight into it so I don't talk too much, but make sure you guys subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and add my Snapchat, but follow me on Instagram. So we're gonna watch react to Binny and Heather Nitchishmore. You know I really like them guys, they're my guys. Heather Nitchishmore, one of my favorites. Yeah, I can switch on it, I can switch. So yeah, I give it. Am I right? Did I say that right? Let me know. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it, man. There's mood balance. Hey. Okay. That's good tune. That's a good tune. Hey. Oh. Now, one thing I like about Mr. Peanut Butter, yeah? Look right here. See? He's got nice jewelry, man. He's always wearing the nice chains, the rings. I like that. Hey. That's his signature glasses, isn't it? That's him, yeah, I like it. Versace. That's Versace, yeah. That's Versace. Yeah, I did it, right. Yeah, you vet. Yeah, I said it right. I don't know. I have to figure out. Hey. They're eating well, yeah? Bit of steak. Oh, he's not happy. Oh, you fucked up, man. Oops, excuse my language. He's complaining about the food, innit? Has to be. Hey, Gucci Mane. Nice, man. They got nice girls, innit? You guys got beautiful girls. Woo! That was the legendary Been there, and I'm like seeing this progression of Been there. Like he's getting better every single time. He's getting better. Like, you know, he's got his own distinctive style as well. He just chilled and just Yagivate. Let me know what Yagivate means. I'm not gonna talk too much. How'd you find it? Good?
It's good, man.
Yeah.
I like that. It's relaxed.
Relax. But yeah, I'm not gonna try and say too much because I know I have a tendency to talk for too long and it makes the video so long. So I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible for you guys so you don't get too bored. But I like that video, man. It's a chilled song, you know what I mean? That's something you just chill. Like if you wanna get a group of guys and you just, you know, get shisha or you smoke or whatever, you just chill, whatever, you know what I mean? But I like it, man, and I look forward to it. I hear that, correct me if I'm wrong, but Mr. Peanut Butter, Harry Nature's More, he's got an album. He's working on an album, right? If I'm wrong, my bad, but I think that's what my memory, if I'm right. But I'm excited, man. I know, you know, there's more music to come. I'm excited to see what you guys produce next. I'm excited. So comment down below what song I should react to next. And sorry about the timing again, but we'll still try and be more consistent. It's really tough, but we'll never ever forget about you guys, and we'll never ever stop. So yeah, comment down below what song should we react to next. Please subscribe. We're almost close to 5,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and smash the like button. Tell a friend, show all to your friends, and follow me on Instagram. So stop your video right now, follow me on Instagram, and add me on Snapchat as well, but I prefer Instagram. Without further ado, guys, it's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
You guys are Kuzo. We're Kuzo. Everything Kuzo. Remember, stay shining. Kuzo family, we out. Ha!